Hi everyone, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's learn about the preamble of our constitution. It is an important topic. Those who didn't watch the previous video of constitution, please watch that. Then it will be easy for you to understand. At the end, there will be 3 questions. Please comment the answers in the comment box. Okay, let's start. The preamble, Indian Constitution. The preamble to the Indian Constitution is a brief introductory statement that sets out guidelines which guide the people of nation and to present the principles of Constitution and to indicate the source from which the document derives its authority and meaning. So, we can say the preamble is a preface to the Indian Constitution, or it is a brief introductory statement which gives guidelines to the people of nation and it presents the principles of Constitution. We get principles of Constitution and guidelines to the people from the preamble and to indicate the source from which the document derives. And it also indicates the source from which the document derives, its authority and meaning. So, in brief, we can say preamble is a preface to our Indian Constitution. We adopted the method of preamble from USA. So, the idea of preamble was adopted from USA. We have adopted many ideas from many countries and this preamble was adopted from USA. In India, preamble is the heart and soul of the Constitution. We considered preamble as the heart and soul of the Constitution. Preamble is the key to open the edifice of the Constitution. Edifice means a complex system of belief. So, it is a key to open that complex system of belief of Constitution. Preamble declares the mind and objectives of the Constitution makers. From the preamble, we can understand the mind and thoughts of the Constitution makers. And we can identify the objectives of the Constitution makers. Preamble declares that the sovereignty or supreme power in India belongs to the people. Preamble states that India is a democratic country and it declares that the supreme power in India belongs to the people. The base of preamble was objective resolution, which was drafted and moved by Jawaharlal Nehru. So, preamble was derived from objective resolution. That means the base of preamble was objective resolution and this objective resolution was drafted and moved by Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. Objective resolution was introduced in the Assembly on 13 December 1946 by Jawaharlal Nehru. So, the objective resolution was introduced by Jawaharlal Nehru in the Constituent Assembly on 13 December 1946. It was passed by the Assembly on 22nd January 1947. So, the objective resolution was passed on 22nd January 1947 in the Constituent Assembly. The preamble has been amended only once. Our preamble has been amended only one time. By the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976, 3 new words were added to the preamble. So, 3 new words were added to our preamble by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment And we know this 42nd constitutional amendment is known as Mini Constitution of India. Because by this amendment, we changed our preamble. It was in the year 1976, and the three words were socialist, secular, and integrity. We added these three words in the preamble. The date mentioned in the preamble is 26th November 1947. One date was mentioned in the preamble, that was 26th November 1949. According to the preamble, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. I have already told that India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. And in the last class, I have explained all these terms. So, please watch that video also. In the Birubari case of 1960, Supreme Court held that preamble was not an integral part of Constitution. And there were two important cases in that Supreme Court mentioned about the preamble. First, in the Birubari case of 1960, in that case, Supreme Court held that preamble was not an integral part of Constitution. But in the Keshavananda Bharati case of 1973, Supreme Court held that preamble is a part of the Constitution. In 1960 of Birubari case, Supreme Court told that preamble was not an integral part of Constitution. But in 1973 Keshavananda Bharati case, Supreme Court held that preamble is the part of Constitution. The preamble is called as. Some people described preamble as some names. And let's see that. Political horoscope. K. Munshi described preamble as political horoscope. Identity card by N.A. Palkiwala. Key to the Constitution, Ernest Barker. Heart and Soul of the Constitution, Thakur Das Bhargav. Soul of the Constitution, Hidayatullah. Soul and Key to the Constitution, Jawaharlal Nehru. So, K. Munshi described preamble as political horoscope, and N.A. Palkiwala told preamble as identity card. Ernest Barker described it as key to the Constitution. Thakur Das Bhargav called preamble as heart and soul of the Constitution. Hidayatullah described it as soul of the Constitution. And our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru described it as soul and key to the Constitution. Now I will ask you 3 questions and please comment the answers in the comment box. First question, who described preamble as the identity card? Second, the idea of preamble taken from which country? Third question, who passed the objective resolution in assembly? If you like the video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for all notification and share to your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.